welcome back to Between the Keys. Today we're going to do Easy on Me by Adele. I've finished doing the US Top 40 and I'm now going to move on to other really well-known songs. So with Adele, she's got 5, Spotify always shows you the top 5 of the artists, right? So I'm going to work my way down the list and teach the top 5 by Adele. Then I'll move on to maybe Bruno Mars, etc, etc. Anyway, lots to come on the channel, lots to come. F is where we start for this song. Easy on Me is in the key of F, and the second chord you need is D minor. The root position would be here. Let me make sure you can see what I play. You can, but you can play it up here as well with 2 notes in the bass, both D. So that's how I'm playing it. Finger, little finger, thumb, thumb, second finger, 5. I do have big hands though. You have to make it work for you. That's C. Then he goes to B flat. Let's do it again. F. Ba-na-na-na. D minor with a 7 that time. I played it D minor 7. Ba-na-na-na. C, C, C. We're playing C, the chord of C. Na-na-na-na. No, I can't deny. And so on. Once you've got those 4 chords, you've basically got the whole song, except for the bridge, but we're going to come to that later. Let me play you again that intro, because there are some notes up here, which he plays while she sings. So if you can do it, you want to be able to play while singing. That's not easy though. There ain't no gold in this river, washing my hands in forever. You see, I'm already out of time. So I'm going to stick to playing chords while I sing. I know there is hope in these waters, but I can't move that microphone over. But I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence. Baby, let me in. Okay, that's where it gets a little bit trickier, right? So I said there was only 4 chords, but actually there she goes back and forth, or the pianist does, from F and C. But I can't, excuse me, still a little bit bunged up from having a cold. But I can't bring myself to swim when, there's a B flat in the bass there, when I am drowning in this silence, let me in. So it's F, C, F, C. Let's do it once more, verse 1, okay, last time. There ain't no gold in this river. Now I'm going to play the passing chord this time, F again, but over A in the bass. That I've been it's on I've. That I've been washing my hands in forever. That's B flat, okay. I know there is hope in these waters. Again, the passing chord. But I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence. Baby, let me in. Okay, let's try the chorus. Go F again. Easy on me, baby. That's C. I was still a child. G minor. I'm putting the 7 on. I'll often put on the 7 when I play a minor chord. So G minor 7, still a child. How close can I get this microphone without it falling off the table? In fact, if I move this in, watch this. Because I did do a take already on this one, and I noticed that I'm still a little bit quiet on the mic. And I would like to be, well, I will get a mic stand actually, that would make it a lot better. But if I move this over, move that there, then I'm a little bit closer because I can tuck this piano underneath. There we go. But now I have a wire in the way. Technical difficulties. I was still a child. Can you hear me now? Didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. That's C. And G minor 7 again. Had no time to choose. That time I played it with the 7 starting. That's G minor 7. I'm going to play it like that. It's got a bit more force in it. Had no time to choose what I chose to do. B flat. So go easy on me. D minor. To F over A. C. There ain't no room. We're in the verse now. Verse 2. For things to change. Wrong bass note, Dan. Play D minor over a D. For things to change. We've got that passing chord, remember? F over A. When we are both so deeply stuck in our ways. It just comes in just before. We can't deny how hard I've tried. I changed who I was to put you both first, but now I give up. I'm a little bit out of time there, apologies again. The end of the verse is always the part where it gets a little bit floaty, right? Changed who I was to put you both first, but now I give up. That's better. Back to the chorus. Okay. A little bit dusty, my room, a little bit dusty. F, we're going to go to the chorus. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to. I like the way she says chance, because in England it's actually, you'd say chance, right? We'd say chance like that. She says it the American way. Didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy. She says that a lot. Easy on me. Okay, now we go to the difficult part, which is the bridge. I had good intentions. Alright, F. I had good intentions. Oh, D minor, sorry, wrong chord. F again. I had good intentions. I'm not going to sing that perfectly because it's the difficult part, as I said. We're in the bridge. I tried singing along about 8 times and I just couldn't get it. So we'll try again. I had good intentions and the highest hopes, but no, it's and the highest hopes. Oh, I've already forgotten. But I know right now, I know she sings that part fast, but I know right now, it probably doesn't even show. Anyway, you can play along and you can try and play the bridge. Let her sing it. If you just want to do the piano part, let her sing this part. You know, it's a difficult part. I had good intentions and the highest hopes, something like that to see. But I know right now, F over C to C, it probably doesn't even show. Can't remember how she sings that last line. Probably doesn't even show. So it's just F, good intentions, F minor, and the highest hopes. Okay, F to C. But I know right now, F to C, it doesn't even show. Okay, B flat. And then final chorus. Final chorus is just F, go easy on me, baby. To C, D minor, I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around us. C, big to G minor, big we go, I had no time to choose. Got a bit of a South African accent there by accident. We're gonna go big to B flat, what I chose to do. So we're gonna go big to F. So go easy on me, D minor, passing chord. Never hit the E. Okay, once more on that intro there. Thank you for watching Between the Keys. So nice. So simple. That's enough fun for one day. I really like that intro, outro piano part. It's really beautiful. And it echoes the melody that she sings. Stuck in our ways. As I've already said, thanks for watching. And if you like the video, please do give it a like, because it helps the channel out a lot with the algorithm and such like. AI 1001100, and I'm sure it helps. And also please click subscribe as well. That also surely helps. The YouTube gods help me to get to monetization levels. But yeah, it takes a while. Gonna keep pumping out the content though. Next up, I don't know what's next up. It's Adele's second most famous song on Spotify. Whichever one that is, that's what I'm gonna do. So stay tuned for that one, and I'll see you in the next one on Between the Keys. Until then, goodbye.